Education to me is the purest way that I can be of service to other people. To be a faculty member, we're always in a place of inquiry, we're always in a place of imagining. Receiving the Anna Lou Shaberg Endowed Professorship was one of my greatest professional accomplishments. It was affirming, it was inspiring, it was motivating. When donors invest in faculty, it gives us the space to be more innovative in our practices. It also creates opportunities for us to engage students more thoughtfully and intentionally. There's this song lyric that says, "I'm a movement by myself, but I'm a force when we're together." When we partner and we're intentional about how we use resources and time and energy, there's no reason that we could not change the world for better.